Sa object at rest, we have v squared is equal to 2ab. We need to get displacement coming from this equation. But how? Notice that the basic operation is multiplication. And then, pag multiplication, we can divide both sides by kung kinsay tapad sa gipangita. Kinsay tapad na displacement? Si 2a. What if na pa siya tapad, sir? Silang tulo sa ubos. But make sure both sides 2a. And then, we can cancel dayon. Cancel 2a, 2a. So we have d is equal to velocity squared over 2a. So we have displacement. Then, substitute. Work is equal to ma times v squared over 2a. Ano sa sunod? Notice again that the basic operation is multiplication of fraction. We can do this way. Mass times acceleration times v squared is equal to
ma v squared over
all the whole number has imaginary denominator 1. You can put 1 there. Then 1 times 2a. 2a. This is division now. The basic operation is division. Ato bang reciprocal?
No.
Very good. There will be no reciprocal anymore, kay? Makancel na siya. O sa mga like units or like terms. Acceleration, acceleration. So work is equal mv squared over 2. Or simply put, work is equal to, pinaman ang numerical coefficient diri. 1 is the numerical coefficient para magwapa siya gamay. 1/2 mv squared. Now sir, question. Kinetic energy man na, sir. Work lagi na. From the very beginning, the work done on an object is equal to the kinetic energy. So we can rewrite kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv squared. So kung mga estudyante, pwede ito ipakita sa iya. Mauna ang sinugdanan sa kanang 1/2 mv squared.